Erade ma. Uteshi master na Abraham Bumishi. Within this year.
This year?
Yes. Se man fa Erade nyame ase because so Abraham Bumishi Erade yin ho adi a kyerɛw. Na Messiah na yin ho adi a kyerɛw. Tie me. Si Erade ni ho.
Susu na kasa no.
Ba wo be kan Erade asem a kyerɛ nipa. Tie me. Usu onyame ni. Ba wo be kan sem. Agi nipa free. Prophecy bar physically na yes say
we use
your mind and do something about it's a prophecy bar that's why you want to it shall come to pass but you didn't obey the voice of the Lord
Papa and some can in album
sana mention until they didn't obey the voice of the Lord.
Eradi Nyankopon ehia no nyo kese eradi mpagya no nyo kese eradi mpagya no nyo kese no ngusu enyo kese se ne dandan nyina eradi ekoro mu ma me na okoso so mu na odo ye adwuma se de me pe no saa no se ne dandan nyina eradi mo onwodene ema wutimi nya botre ebe hweme na wode hweme papa the supernatural continental the global chairman susu bofo achichi bofo katache bema no yes and unsa ye de hye na unsa ene katache bema the general warrior susu mpanyini papa na onda anadwo no papa na onda anadwo no wo wada na obi hwa nkrom no na papa ne de onam abontini eyesu nsunyuma na ade me fere se enro ka sem bi that was enro achi o se na kwame minda mo sa for me nkosha forest yenim sa abon mache one wa me abompa ya me na bo mache one abo one na o jaya me ada o ka che se yen san fa nkosha forest ampa o me se de nkosha forest mu the forest ne de papa yen kiri nkobi ele se wan kasa akọ yesi tambe no be fie o se na ji sa abo no pass sansa ma sa ba fie o se me ntroma accident bi be si kwan so airport run about accident bi be si kwan so on twema accident bi si o ko sunsun nyuma radio o yo sunsun adwuma na o yo sunsun adwuma na kom sa fo adwuma o yo sunsun adwuma na kom sa fo adwuma o yo sunsun adwuma na kom sa fo adwuma hey already no kase aha ye Kumasi online tv na mo sunfo na kwame one man contractor ana na mo di ehye na mo nkasa mo se bi mo hye bia mo se ana ye nsemre ana nsema papa de bana no dene nsema de bana no dene and the great oracle Asia, the sensational man, the man of the moment, the global chairman, the continental, the spirit man, the spiritual warrior on no mo for sanisin so na ebebu sabo for mo nsem bebre and papa ekasem bi afa na ebewura ehonom no yakoba papa nchen yewia beba and nsema yeba so no the supernatural man.
Thank you.
The superior warrior.
Thank you.
The man of the moment.
Thank you.
The continental.
Thank you.
The sensational. The global chairman. Susu Panyine. The mystery man.
Namisha.
Papa, yamwakwa eba Kumasi online TV so.
Biji obi aso.
Papa, where the ene yen semre ene baby ye twafa no anode ene ye kasunsum sem. Na nipa bebre do mo questions na ba na mabebusa wo. Na ene nsem mo de ba no papa. And then some modu. And then some modu. Now, answer no. Me pesa offer papa 0548719269. 0548719269. U problem bia da so. Problem bia da so. Say ya wone sem, say sikasem, say ya kontuo, say ya mane, say ya haw, say ya kodanda, say ya musuo, say ya san. Ade bira da wo kra so wan kasa wo say ade we die me bre wo ho abrabom. Eh. Wo abochire, wo Ghana ha. Ene mo mfoma wo. Number ni 0548719269. Radio go pon shira no nyo kese. Papa. Hey! Afena ye beka sunsum sam. Papa. Ene enkofo de message bi na atuma koma so. Omo se emre bi na wo kire. Na wo ka se nipa adwene. Tumi wo nipa adwene mu. Na nipa adwene eye nyame. Nipa adwene eye nyame. Omonti ase nti na ompeto mo kire ema wiase nyina atibi
medase amsha ansana mekasan ye ntu ho sha Odomfo ne mobehufo yiri ni padua sinche e kasa fa me mu said ye wusi peno sanity Yeshua Yahweh amen let us say inshallah omonti ase ho
omonti ase papa
say
omo say na o kire say the mind is God omo so munim say twede mponyankopon wo soro eti ye kasa the mind is God a ade say wo kire mbiem omo sa ate ase
me da se na me inshallah no nyo kase eni mebiem amu bia TV na na me shi obia on say medical culture say Christianity is weak.
Christianity
the entire Christianity Christianity no is weak. Apart from Christianity no nipa adesend nipa nkasa no nipa ye wo wiase no your mind e weak.
Nipa wo wiase na kasa ya adwe no ayemre papa so chire
me dance on say Bible ni everybody read Bible obi akan Bible basis for it understanding and nipa kan now from Genesis to Revelation obi akan Bible obi asusu ne understand the meaning any interpretation of the message of the Bible Bible is the standard of our life. Without the Bible no ene wo sekan krante. But without the Bible now one kind Bible the basis of your Christianity and form. Now Bible now what kind gu can go
to
mystery kind Bible no go trimudia that means say the Bible the mind no and a dilute mind na it is a computer eche nyoma no eche nyame asem no eche nyoma onyankopon se ye na fa di eche wo wadwem
Bible no
Bible no when you're reading the Bible no via Genesis no all kind no e mind in now they kind into mind in na eche
no
ade na ba now se mind in na eche ade na ba dia nipa da se ni ankasa no was it in the beginning God created heavens and the earth was it and earth was without form
saka
and the Spirit of the Lord moved over the surface of the earth and he commanded was a darkness was before there and light came it was a let there be light and there was light or we know say and I created human like my own image of Christ image of Christ so you are imitating Christ upon this earth the Christ no or you're invisible you cannot see Christ and God now who imitating no say I have created you into nyame na wo bo no but wo bo to say ono an nseso dia just wo nyame
na say nipa ye nyame e wo asase yi so se ne o kan na
okay wo nyame into wo nyame a we no say I have given you all dominions dominion just me de nyoma ni na shawonsa
mo tumi wo
hanam gina so nti die ben biem na wo san koye dede asu afra Awurade Nyankopon emre Awurade aye onyame keto ba
nese odi Moses ejina Israel for no ana eduru ba bia na Moses apaba na Moses hu di oye no awoye Moses nyame nanka Moses betimi akasa ma bibiasi but ana Moses se fra ne se hana
ya na Moses enti no Moses fra ne hana obi se Moses se die ne kutaw
mystery
enti Awurade no he have created you awie why again that warrior Awurade Nyankopon
be hano
yes but we are born in so where you're invisible God you cannot see God with your naked eyes but one really one we Owie ye no say I have given you over everything. Dominion over everything. The dominion over everything now me the amount. Mama o prekese, mama o manganese, mama o bauxite, mama o nsuo, mama o nina, mama o tannewu, mama o koko, mama o bauxite, mama o aluminium, mama o halogen, mama o oil,
diamond,
mama o mama o bibi
prekese,
bibi sunsumasa. Mama edwira, nut milk, bay leaf, cinnamon seed. Alligator pepper. Inti medicine mama.
Unkoto. Udia ye na
beba. Medicine mani nama. Inti die biem na wosa kase. Me bre. Wa bre.
Nese papa o kan say dia nese ade na awrade bona no. Nipa betimi de di ye wa bre.
No na mecho inti na me ba ho. Inti mecho say. The independent say your mind is weak. So your mind is God.
Spirit!
Your mind is God. There is no God. I'll call you He have given you the audacity, the command, the authority. He have given you dominion, power. He have given you anointing, gift. And to use your mind to attract what you need on this earth.
Guys, afena meti ase. Yes, meti ensem na se. Na se awrade ya onyame keto wasase so. Ana o mo wadwene. Enti adentina usole na wo sa umpe bibi kura anye. Na usole ada bia no. Awrade de ama bibi se fa ye.
Okay, let me tell you something. You are praying. God has me pesika. Okay, we bie kwan na ma wo nyesika. Unye sika no die na wudi sika na ye.
Nese papa
die na wudi sika na ye. Into your mind no. Your mindset no. Was a renewal of the mind. It is a one renew your mind now. You can never imitate Christ.
That's papa bin chono na say.
What do I say? Because after the prayer, still ube complacent still.
No matter. Also bon pay you do say show them the film at all.
Yes, say me nko ye adwuma. Me twen say ready be preacher me.
Ready one of God.
One pompa say wo power here. Me twen say ready di kunu beba e be wura me dem.
Ain't possible.
You must to go out dressing. Your own neat. Show what dress neat. Go out. Into mindset ne kuta say me go power here and I say me man when you go out the mindset no some mind now dream na ebemanesi
be connect obi ama. Okay.
By you share them say me bompa
spirit
say mama bompa you ready nyakopo me yes can now down.
And
when you go and work you can never get money. Into the mindset no and then the many pentiment di wa brabum. That is why I say that is why I say uko checha relation dosun. But the man of God no yesu ye bibi kan nyame adwuma no.
O the new to so lisika so
sanity into the mindset na say or bottom a felina no be kire na sa day na obi ye asole no. Nipa ma onyeska. It is biblically no die biem na wo ya aka onyame adwuma no.
Eno so betima ma obibi kakra che se nipa ma so kura
when you say you are having a support at your back.
One of goodness and they will be nipa bebre ni because
nipa bebre bon paye but there is no resource because of said the resource no say their mindset is weak.
Imagine
insanity and their mindset is weak. He say medium bon paye e kwan baby. No, mind in a man e kwan bi. Without the mind e kwan ntimi bi.
let's say papa nipa bebre bomb pay omtim ka se bomb pay but ono ga chance ya no hu say den pay mboy kura amfa no na adwe na ajatum se amfa
sanate
let's say adwe na e bibia
sanate adwe ni na begie tum se ayarese kwa me kopa minya the moment adwe ni be yon say ayarese an kopa wunya da
sa pepepe intina the mind is God.
Yes, into the mind is God. The encouragement nyame wo ba pia bi. That is why so my mind. Use your mind. Use your cerebellum ogumbata. Use the cells, the nucleuses. Use it. There is a power in the mind. It is our power. No? So when you use mind now, you can get what you need. Me di.
Yes.
There is a power in your mind. In the mind, you know, and then God. Into what trusting mind necessary by hook or crook is ultimate picture. And it shall come to pass.
Okay.
Because your mindset, you know, when your focus will be so. A human nipa get you so do your quad before. Your mom is a be an ass. No, would you say, the mindset a best start your juma. It will be the be a most nice why you bow your quad before. And Luntin a beauty no major or my so we my money is cast.
In fact, when
your shots will be to my bobra. What the mindset in your kutanum. Intimi kwane ni mu abrabom enti yenti untimi fan ko show bia there is a spiritual warfare battle but when you so you reconcile in your mind utimi overcome Satan by your mind that is why I say Satan ekodada Jesus or be ponoso o se woni awurade bana anka Jesus uzu betima to no ho atwene pa ama abofo abeso ano or see him so everything yankopon ne it ya Jesus you see in the mind now bunsam sanka chance so onye urade bana dane pan ni abodu osanya pan no nkwa ne bedie ye benya nkwa Jesus nyame asem it will use because uncle betima dane bono pan because also ye Messiah ne ba wo ye nkonya otimi ye miracles no it uncle betima ye but o man answer ewo na adwin enti se we nyanyansa obey to say John the Baptist aye dimiti etwa ni ti ma akwala we nyanyansa obey hyenkom bi enkom no egokoko court we nyanyansa numi bi wo wa ye numi wo bedwam obedumi ama nipa mu say your mindset no kuranye apem di na chi awo obi fom na no adu
wadumini mesume kodia
me so dia no be enti the mindset no ene na be nipa ehu dia wote
eti papa na me show ensem na wo ka no ene nipa bebraya so tie o nipa bebraya so tie eti papa yam from mind no enye mindset na ma enti so nipa wujitum se baye betima ye wa ana abayfo no so boroma ye wa na
that is good. You may sue Daniel one panning. Daniel not strange. Any HIV. The moment Rebecca says any HIV, no.
Now program
also. Or the mind and then your power. The mind is your resources.
Okay.
The mind is your billionaire. The mind is your bank. It will be biara only mind, no. Won't mean billionaire. We see you in Pesca. Ye beska bani panche ye the mind in the dineska ye the mind in the ware
spirit
ye the mind in the koye abrabu
spirit.
So when your mind is weaker you can never succeed in this life.
This means man of God nyamesum na ye sum na de bia ka say the mind is weak na fe ni atia say ipo bebre ho no ma omunyini wo nyamesum ni mo dwene wo fom eti na ka kwanche bi kura omunim say e aduro e say no
enti eninti na nipa bia say nya kwanche jobu o so me pa kwanche me kwaje akwanche enti fine akwanche dey the be ma but when your mind is weaker akwanche ntimi mu pray you cannot pray timi You cannot pray and attract money. Mind attract money.
Hey, I had in there who know. And the papa, that's then they acquire say, me compare me pesca.
Tower 4 pound a year.
Prayer tower.
Omu plan a year one.
Mom demands of no.
Every a year one. You cannot pray. Use your mind, your mindset. There is one guy there, your friend Felix. Or 26 years. But our articulated bus is 19. Babo suminyame. But we using the mind. Also suffering. This can be jebito. And remember the football. With this can be jebito. And yet the beer soon never can send me bri. About the football. See me this can be jebito. This can be jebito. This can be jebito. This can be jebito was an amines can be na bekoto yata. And it started running so mommy. This is the mindset. Let's believe in the mind of God.
Jesus.
The mind of God. No, they are my working. Until we do it, baby, no one pray. Pray, because we come one. Yeah, the year through. Mariampe. The Ghanaians are having a lot of resources, but we are weak. We are sick in our mind. Ghanaians are having a lot of minerals. But we are sick in our mind because mind didn't mean feature. The papa for my
the mystery man.
The prayer never more worry, but it's your mind.
Determination.
Yes, renew your mind and move forward in another dimension. Because many people do that, church members, no. Because show them how the way, show them the journey to their life. Show them their mind, you know. What is the excess of your mind? Mind in a kutano no catcher and you won't find it. Catcher say man is spending baby or your Obama name to normal heart. Because a many people bar will not pour forward, bravo. Oh, your mind is your billionaire.
Spirit!
Your friend China need be one sheep. Or say, your mind is your destiny and your mind is your success. Without your mind, you can never be achieved in this earth.
What general?
Yes.
And o kanko.
What general no kanko? Or say obi biara or ne Jimmy Fu and Nantibiano. You can never achieve it in this life.
Bible crack at any friendly
sir, or so Jimmy and Adrian Ubi and Anteno. Won't me acquire knowledge. We acquire knowledge in the mindset. Uncle. That is up to you. Your mind now, me bonfire mouth. I carry my oil. And I'm their bonfire mouth. Me want my buffon, I'm their sumau. When I give you a direction, now we are now memoir. That is your mind. Your mind in an because number one, again now you have doubted. Number two, besides say the moment there is a power in your mind that are connected to you.
Hey, Papa, na you say Sunsumununa, Ayana de Biani, Case, Ubi Bani, as a shebre, and I said, Ubu on my Danene Nabrabo. Somebody put it to me, Mr.
Spirituality, but spirituality, I'm talking about spirituality mindset. Physicality and spirituality, but spirituality, no, is more having influence than the physicality. It is your mind in the Quran, and tuning into a spirituality mindset, you can never achieve it.
Nessa, Oye Bibia said, what the physical use watching the Quran as a stern, watching it to me, Sumuka crack, and a man fat.
You can never achieve your aim. You can never in your life achieve aim. Because your mind in the realms of the spirit is weak.
I ran young people a show on your case, and some of Papa Necano, what is out to them, I won't say what for. I didn't the embrace. no kre wan kasa because timo ko chebe no wan kasa go down to say eh ade am ye kura say bosom ade am ye kura say ni panti ase ade am ye kura wadwene ma untimi ko kan wabrabom na ene prophecies a eba last year papa nkom so hye nyina bam nkom so kan nyina la na ba ko ewoma ene be kan wasam kese eye accident esisie ene amrobes papa ka say ombe attack police for akunkum police for na ene sene yetititi nsam ewo oman Ghana mu afiwe mu no ano aye dendenden sene o ka say yade no be sa ba ebekọ July ebekọ June July na August say unity no ampa de na the same thing na ko etene yewram ne abusa papa say ekọ be so no sunsun no efa so kasa ye so be de ye be boy ho ban ana say sunsum sem no eye de no otimi hunu na step be kra na abofo ne ba ne so a because abofo ne ba ne so a owoso ne ho eti ebebusa papa say abofo ne ba aya enwoso ho na emaye hunu say waba na say enwoso ho na di adanse na say eche bibi ana say anokra ahyeche ne say yakọ papa nchen papa yemo akọ biem mejoso wonam papa number ne 0548719269 0548719269 ofe papa friend say na ka che ne say papa me ba so down o say sia no akwanche bu wono ma ana say abofo ne say ngofo bu wono ma uwo amanoni uwo Ghana ha brabeshan one on one another so person papa eba won chen awa manoni a wodi kese a oso a chewa manoni e 2 weeks be anu kwan e 1 week abofo ne ya na yasra abofo na ene asra ma papa akosra abofo no ama papa omde 1 week aka ho e 2 weeks be na yewura September yimu ya September October akonto bebre wo enti so person de papa tu kwan a chase buki to erodi nshirawo papa sunsum samwo
oh sunsum samwo Ephesians chapter 6 verse 11 to 12. You are not fighting against flesh and blood, but you are fighting against principalities, rulers, authorities, powers, and sin. So, 90% of
spirituality is 90% of Nipa life.
When you are not in spiritual mindset, you can never attract things in the spirit to come into a reality. So why do you mood? Into a dream spirit. They are dreaming about realms. About collecting no money for our dream. It is prophetic. Many pennies, many pagi.
Prophetic.
Yeah.
As well from Cassie,
media and no diomo. But I'm saying, say, in the realms of the spirit, prophetic by our dream.
A bit of Catomani say,
say, your mind is your speaker, your mind is your God, your mind and a dano dibia will be asking. Without the mind, we are weak. Yes, say in spirituality, no so much jam a working at me working a confess candidate.
Papa, where dear you 2020, you be 2021. That was 26 November. Only release because okay say I saw for remember come December. Into the woody cash, the radia catch on the above and a catch on above for a bow a kasai.
Okay.
Now, Omaka Nipa be woo a few way.
Okay.
Nipa be woo a few way. Now, first, police for I'm not best ever attacking police for physical. Omuma and a jubium, Omberia, and anopa. Now, papa, and some soon for also kind a bum. It's in there, but I say, papa, I Nipa ya so ding, and I say, it was a sign of a bum one.
Mindset is weak. The mindset is weak. See, you weak. It's a prophecy. Mashankom. Prophecy comes through within the spiritual world. The level of spiritual world that woman and a prophecy number. My beshankom. That's a soon number swamma. Then I some way. It is about you people protect yourself. The prophecy bar physically, yes, we use your mind and do something about it. It's a prophecy balance when you want to marry, it shall come to pass. But you didn't obey the voice of the Lord.
Papa, and some are canning in album.
Sana Mitchell, until they didn't obey the voice of the Lord. They didn't obey the voice of the Lord.
Papa, I buy for to be body patu. I buy for to be body patu.
I want to never buy for boot.
Hey. Papa Pacho, I just money pantias here.
That's a Mesugaye. Say soon, will be able to pay. Boot to say, ready? Won't you? You see me woo. The moment I'll make a sound, there is a power before now. It is a boat to soon should I only be no sort of I rejected.
Cash,
Boom too. Now, okay, I the mind a break is
very tiny. It's nice, Papa. And come she on my
answer me don't call them more.
And come she on my papa, you can say the Pauji too. Okoya, Okobodamuku.
Sir, don't believe this prophecies. I will want to get, but yes, all my wife you need to say, Shakura. You can say,
Papa Pacho, no, a woman or more tenant quantity me. Yes, I now say
the power of your mind. Without your mind, you see the Pia. Vampire to you go for vampire. There's a lot of go for about 18 hours, 20 hours. But look at their life. Master, we hear you. Vampire, you never come out with you. Vampire, we never come with you.
Mountains, phone
down. Is weak-minded.
Or chattable for the free swab
is weak-minded. Like I said, down, cinnamon down. Sumasa down. Swear tenant down. I said, apply. No man, no, dear man, apply. Who's it, Debbie? Me apply. Me, dear, make 14 days. Ubenya yare me ye twitwa wonso de ata. Ubenya yare me ye twitwa wonso de ata. Brother, your mind is your God. Without the mindset, no ntimi nkoso da, ntimi peja da, ntimi nye bibia da. Be begage. Because the show till we say, me suma wurade. Me hwe wurade be, wurade wo fa hin no aye. Wurade tiwtirim. One journey na yes eye ade ne mam enye wurade bi now cause I have given you all things no na there 19 na no cause
it's not a man of God gidie no adwene mu na free gidie free ba
I say I have given you all things
the day na show sa
sanity
man of God. Na last week I said so ko jina nso I say obompa ya ready tie pa eno no eya na ensu tumi ne wo nsu nim na obompa ya che no ana say osoro ana obompa ya che no
say a mindset
ti mindset na che say obama tumi ne wo nsu nim eya sa udim say o mindset ne say erade ana bo nsu nti obama de wo osoro na eya sa na say bibia wi aso bia mindset
people dia that's your mindset see Johnny Benya we benya.
Man of God, na nipa na fume.
What from kwa na odwin si benya we benya. Your mind is your God. Na me catch. Telling you, me say your mind in the man will be di. Without your mind, you can never achieve anything in this life. Ha! Let me see.
Ite papa o mo ma yakore nsa for yakusansani wa brabom no. O ma dwen na wo ma yesa.
Sanity. Your mind no. Satan use one gen.
And what can some and
Satan won that.
There be mu Satan.
But to use one gen. Nti adwene so kofo bi yire ne nkoda. Your mindset enya bonsam na ka se ne nkoda. Wa dwen na ne nkoda. In fact bonsam your mindset. me payere. Wada. Also payere wa bompa ye we know the power of activating prayer. When we remember be quabantin. Meet your woman. Solomon P. Solomon P. Ko shene. Okay, so Solomon. Ko shene. O se avisi ma why.
Jacob to ko shene.
Sanity into be wanting you will see you find it.
Iti man go dey ka say obabi spirit
here. That for you will still. But ya dream you. Obobo for the krama so for. O ko anu be sense. This come dey abetu. Abede ni masenya.
Ma force abi twa ma fana ta.
They say mind no dey te one.
Ewu.
O ma for the krana no ka ho nsem. He doesn't believe self for the kura bie kwama no. Enti o ka say on so see that and so for the dimisika and mindset ni nye. Enti won't me call radical Abraham say Isaac oba for them. Na can just one coup. Isaac. See say Isaac ni wo beauty. Em fan say in a generation no. Ebi account 5 million. Radical say 5 million farmer papa Sophie.
Very difficult.
Oh, the man.
Man, what are they? My guys are next to some man.
Sanity. And Abraham was obey. Abraham obey everything Yankopon. It's when you obey God, and never be come out. The mindset now kutane nye. Blah. Oba. You.
Neskana ni edi
ene die adwuma me be ya me bebi oton ade wo oton bi ontade o ma bebi nti obi ba nti obi ba beto onya kai obi ama no dia ko she before before be ye me fa ene anu obom pa ye fifiu se urade nyankopon me bam ma mi nidwa but obetra wana no mind na twist otena wana wa obi ama etu wa obi ama na beba o ya kwaya ye na madum ya me kwa ma betofo wo okay me hwe ne kaka kwa no kwa the phone ba be bomba so chese obi en tobi hey but mind ne chere ne say o he ne emfa it say if the mind nya chere say ade we ni besi or your mind is your god.
Hey! Where dear papa, asama wo kan dia no kore na me ankasa me na nakwa me na ankasa bia tutum bebre asese wan kasa ti wo se ade we wo yade na wia wotim se ade we dia nkebe fa pa ba wo ho ma no asa ade dia nye se na betwene sa so na be ya ma wo
sanity. You are God. It dream papa. Dream papa say it shall be well today. Me se me ware me se me ware me se me ware me see me spiritual marriage na da me so me see a break me
no
wo be ware me se me ware na me ka ba yen to me see that me see that challenge your mind busy ufu bu question come say sole Radi susun kan say chem senche oba beda ni billionaire me billionaire wa kan na adwum say me single na me timi dia na me go
so grasa to bro no
so say ne mind na wu no dia betra so le dem
Radi
mind na wu dia betra mind na wu ene mama no enkomhwe ne yo me banefoot ne da bia na nipa ye se nipa beka sunsun sem this is abrabu yenye yadwi the mindset is weak
king of the street
the mindset is weak bia ton bi ke sadia na ye na mind na
you took se be fa ampa fa
yes you can do it Black Sharif.
Lanka.
Black Sharif.
Hey.
Akwa denache.
Sembaba.
But na adwene se me pi. Abeku Santana na hye ne se ma wa adwene entini. Se wu obeba be yet se shata Holy Stone boy mo sa kwade. You will come out. And what come.
Anyum nyanyuma se
mo bi mu apem. Emo bi nka negative voice.
Kaish.
Emo bi nche se eyi.
Hey.
Emo bi nche se yare na down so ndi bi ku wu. Emo bi nche se mpa bo wa onyame ye wo so da. Your prayer no abogo ene wo heaven. Me be about to say puso anuana. Obi emo bi mu obam say wa bompa ya na wonya den continue to pray. The mindset of your ability in the mouth going. Abo testimony ni da so. Bible say that radical chere Noah say for nipa le mu ni na akọ.
The mystery man.
Abo tesehwe no ho because na nipa le mu a. Ohwe no no say na me amenanti so di enkopem da ben na meduru akini. Your future is in your hands.
Your mom just 1 week. Your mom just 1 week.
Your mom just 1 week. First day atwam. Second day atwam. Oh, jataba no abesan no.
Awurade.
No asere no twetwetwe na kwari. San obi kan for wa brabo. Senko sita ben na wo duru san akini. Obi kasa senko sita ben na onyankopon na wa frɛ ne san wati wo. Adabo cheche di ahwere. Osi baby was menante amekwa kuduru akini. It is your power of your mind. Ya wo bedwe nani na bebem. Di wo be susu ni na bebem. Me kasa chi obi ene. Mama se me be hyenko. Na keniye. Se me be man inspiration. Obi hyedem sisi esu. But me catch them. Say God haven't rejected you. If they are deny you, God haven't rejected you. Unyamempo. Kenya hubi. Sorry. Na catch you see be. So what that's we are so pompono ayembra. Sorry.
Oh.
The oil is there. Sorry. Ni person enyeyi. Sana na abo acheche de yeye. Na jata twem. Na we twem. Na girafa twem. Na we twem na can just after 2 days na nsuo na muna. Emire nsuo ni muna na nsuo ni muna na nsuo ni muna. Afi. Osiye. Wurade. Sata modu adweso. Ebi aka no susu kuma se wala. So do adweso. Consider ben na kwa we sad. Second 30
na say ka no your man 30 days kan okra ontimi
just why you slow. Sana brabum no ya we. Sana brabum no bi se why you slow. Sana brabum no bi se wa so nyame sa eyeyi. But I prove it. Me nyankopon Kristo timu. Any abofom pimpim.
Yes, God.
Say ebeye.
Ebeye.
Aboacheche die nya ni da. Bible sa. Afei no woduru ba bi no. Afei na kode neba.
Awurade.
Na kode eba. Na kode eba. Na kode eba. Ba bi ni da so asam. Wona awurade ten na o hyebere. Ba bi a wapem a won hu wa pem. Abi wafi wo bompa ye bibia. Won hu wa ka akiri no. Wona awurade yi hu bi. Bible say na Israel for konsowe. Omuja resi na no ma toba ha. Omsi Moses eye denti na utimi be yi free Misrim. San fire ko back. Na ba bia ye duru ni die. Faro ba ba chi yen. Awurade ka kire Moses. Me ka me ho wo mera. Hey! Me ka me ho wo mera. Yes. Nipa ni na apo. Ana me ka me ho. Me ka me ho wo mera nipa se enye na ma ka me ho.
Owura no
Moses.
Go wura.
Spirit. Was poma ne dan. Was poma ne kuta na ye dan. Was Awurade e utumi a wo de ma. Was fa kire e pono so. Wo de kire so na pai. The first bridge I nyaaye. O babu. Wo de pineapple na pai mi say blast. E mu a chemienu ba ko na na sanse perfect nam so. Was dey now. Was Awurade Nyankopon mu say poma pai mi na sanse perfect na so was fa Israel for ne nam so. For him the chino mo ba o se awurade akakakra na Pharaoh ne ponko atoye. O se Moses me yam frama na msa yeja. Man so awu ne chinchin frama papa.
Oya oje
Na pillar of crowns papa. Na si Pharaoh mani.
Oya oje
E si wo mani mu sa until say Israel for no twam ko e. O twam ko ye wi na afei awurade da so bia punim.
Muso mbase ne mienko ne
E wo wa ya na awurade Nyankopɔn ta so wi.
Awurade.
E wo wa ya na o hyeda ye pese wo hwe. Se yedie se sika kakra na eba onsem no o hwe ade bi. Na emu pa ya na Pharaoh se janatu o se monto an o se pursue them. Obi pursue. But awurade do be call destiny.
Amen.
Obi say wuntimi niye. But let me be can you say the power of your mind.
Jesus.
Renew your mindset.
Yes.
Misu be diye.
Amen.
Ube pija.
Amen.
Ube ekesiye. Ube toka nibi. Ube sifi. Ube wali nibi. Wenye bonyini ya.
Jesus.
Ya count on so enye juma.
Yes.
Forget to say we are bonyini. And see that
the spirit is working.
And see so that. And see that. Obi say wo wa fibro. Kache se mini fibro. Eradi na yi fibro fi. Eradi be yi fibro no. Obi say wuntimi mare. Obi say nsi you obi grade na no curse. But I reject the curses. No me be I kato.
Jesus.
Ewe me so.
Jesus.
Wo so.
Jesus.
Ma so ye tia.
Yes God.
Eri nya djuma. Eradi do be ko. Afei na aka just a seconds. Aka just 5 minutes. Na bo cheche de ekọ. For oto na ni obi ama.
Awurade.
Oto na ni obi ama.
Awurade.
Oto na ni obi ama. Oto na ni obi ama. For two no boom say egel about be pija nisi.
Cash.
Pija na so ni mu de na ekọ. 14 na no si akini. Na mu ni na busan say ekwa me so na afa so ba.
Be ju omo nsam.
San na nipa be busan.
Be ju omo nsam.
San na nipa be.
Hey!
Emire people do a.
Hey!
Nipa be busan say.
Yes.
Na ekwa be so na wo fast so ni pija ye. Me kan fu Isaiah na. Na me kan fu owura no. And much as you go for
Jesus. Yes, God.
I saw my pie.
Spirit is working.
Go for Wuram.
So soon the Yakima.
Sao running.
Aha.
The Abraham Moshemo. Jimmy Munya. Sao running.
Yes. Yes.
It's a quotation master. Wuram will be Siam. Aha. Said you was in a grata. Sound what in much and be Siam. So Wuram will. So soon for Mukasa. So Wuram, dear. For Mukasa. You will. Aha. No be Siam. Mujane Dasukasa. Na Mujane Dasukasa. The spirit is working. Na Mujane Bekasa. Na to Jimo Janity. Aha. A Bekasa. Susune Kasa. Wuram. Aha. Abraham Bomoshe. Owura ne be frɛ wo. Mutu mutan. Obeba be yenya mi adwuma. O de. Me say Abraham Bomoshe. Kotesi master. Owura ni nwi. Owura ngo nwi. Sunsu na fama. Me say wo be frɛ wo. Me na me ka kyerɛ wo. Aha. Mutu mutan. Ekopa so. Muja ne be frɛ wo. Yes. Owura ne ho de. To me no ho. Owura ho de. The spirit is working. Owura na. Sunsu me. Ye wo to no so na. Papa. Yes. Me so be frɛ wo. Spirit is working. Me so be frɛ wo. Susuna kasa. Mesu obafra. Susuna kasa. Mesu obafra. It is working. Mesu obafra.
Hey, arani yangu position onyo kase. Ene ose ene oba na futuo, na ode atofo mo nipa nyina tiase. Ose ene wadwene no. But okasa na sunsu na famu okasa. Se ye wotumi bi tentumi bi. Yo papa bi afa ni Jesus and moja be hwegu ye. Na sa moja na ebe jigofo bi afa mo Abraham Vemoshe. Oni quotation master. Omo se nyame bia ni wo. Hey. Me papa se nyame ba be famo de mo ya adwuma. Se de wo frɛ agrada o gya ya na sunsu ni famu ka se agrada ba be sofo. And agrada ba be evangelist. Mo so rather than se be come ansa na mawu.
Erade ma. Uteshi master na Abraham Bomoshe. Within this year.
This year?
Yes. Se ma fa awurade nyame ase because Abraham Bomoshe awurade yin ho adi a kyerɛw. Na Messiah na yin ho adi a kyerɛw. Tie me. Osi awurade ni ho.
Susu na kasa no.
Ba wo be kan awurade asema kyerɛ nipa. Tie me. Usu nyame ni. Ba wo be kan sem agye nipa free mpunchi tie moja ne be frem me se metia na meka moja e be frem na moja na frem awie me se avram bo me she wo de wo se wo ye CCACRF
common sense
family me se wo baba be ka Jesus was Jesus be frem
amen
owura o frem owu no asole ni ejimidi se ni moja na hwe gu fam no e be frem me se moja na be frem quotation master wo se unji hwini moja na be frem moja na be frem o wa wo be hu
spirit
moja na be frem
and you some be Jesus
ama muso ye mu kafa Messiah no ho wo baba bi di ne ho adanse
hey papa so owie dia ene ye nso awie na ene won kasa wo hu se ba bia ensa no fire no ehu cause se ne sunsun fa no mu kasa no ano odene ene oso ba se obecheche ene kra de oba no wo hu se papa television no ene oba no se nana sunsun se ne memra ma chenya nsesem enche wiase na ampa obe kenya nsesem na wie emra wo se na wo makwa ma sunsun ba sunsun no fa no mu kasa na o se engofo bi won mo kasa se nyankopon etumi anya dwuma Yenyankopon tumi ya adwuma Yenyankopon tumi ya adwuma Isako fo no obom di Abraham ve Moshe omso mde me common sense family e bi enim om na eka o se moja na ehwegu Calvary no sa moja na be frem omso ba be di Jesus wa danse na se so abeda na pod ya ene mo nso ba be kanya mi asem oni quotation master no pa sunsum na akasa no sunsuma ekasa free last year e mani CDC ya sunsuma ekasa tumi ya adwuma ana sa sunsum na kasa no na wo kasa ndeba wo se sunsum no ba no so ne se ne ne dane ne ne esoko ne soko etu wo se sunsum no asane enyame wo hom ne fa ne mu kasa aya abofo wo hom ne fa ne mu kasa papa number ne 0548719269 0548719269 o fra papa o se papa ane de we na dam so amane we na dam so nema we na me pe na transfer so papa ya wie susu na kasa wie so eni asem biaka so papa pesa o che partnership ni ma hu se go for join it
that's partnership no o frame ya na machiru mu
0548719269
frame ya o pesa o join ya o frame ya na machiru mu e di susu na bobra enya honam enya de bobra fanyansa na bobra wan ko bo ma mi bibai dinchira
eranya go po nshirawo Radio Go show and me papa akasa wie sunsun na kasa wie na me chia me maame adwosika ba bia wo bia na me show adwosika ho fe erade nyo kese maame we ade akoma pa etayachi one support papa e wona de nyina mu erade nhyirawo abochefo ene ganafo am support papa e mane timi ba obi busa say papa den ne hu so otimi ba say ena from sika o hono ma timi fra papa say papa mesrawo me pese da bia se na usi kasa no mi so seed wo se na usi kasa mpo e wo TV so no mi so seed wo mu efe number ne 0548719269 enche papa be program kese na program we omo be free akire aba be da ho takradefo sunyanfo wan obi omo fifiri akire ne beba Pacho ye pese support program no o frɛ papa se papa me support program kese na ba be ye no o frɛ papa iska bia wo mu bia no wo bia de fu akoma mu bia no o frɛ papa se papa me de support program kese because be bia nkofo be dani ade afe na ye gusu ayeye fe na ye gusu ayeye program so en channel duru ho o frɛ papa se papa ye pese o support program no na utimi di bi eye dan na nkofo bomba bedam no na so utimi di usika support nyam djuma erade so be hirawo erade hirawo na onye kese me dia na kwame one man contractor Papa say you be soon and a bobla. God bless you. Bye bye.